Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to send dices in Monopoly Go. For doing that, just simply open your game. Now, once your game is open, just simply close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. In order to send dices, there is no actual way to do it. There are two things that you can try. The first thing is just simply log in your friends or whoever you want to send the dices account on your device. So in order for doing that, go to the three lines at the top right, then click on settings, then connect account. Now over here you will have three options, but mostly you will be using two options, the Google and the Facebook. Now just simply ask your friends or whoever you're going to send the dices. Just simply ask the account. It might be Google or Facebook, it doesn't matter. Just simply ask the account ID and password and just simply log in your Google or Facebook account. Then just simply connect that account with the Monopoly game. And then just simply buy the dices that you want with your payment methods. Now, the other process is just simply go to in their device and then use your payment methods to buy them dices. These are the only two methods that you can send dices. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.